All right, I hit that boost button. Looks like it's good to go. All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we are going to go ahead and do a review on my new portable jump starter with air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and actually check it out. You guys are going to want to stay to the end because this time I am actually going to be able to try it. Battery is dead on this car, so we'll see how it does. You guys, make sure you guys subscribe. It helps the channel out big time. So it comes in this nice carrying case. Put some more stuff back here. Handle there. So this was probably for the air compressor part of it. With this as well. Here's the hose for it. Check it out. Comes with these tips too. Here are the actual jumper cables. User manual. Type-C cable. Now lastly, the jump starter. Oh. And check that out. Super cool. It does serve as a power bank as well, which we could try out. As you can see right here, this also has inflate and deflate. So if you want to deflate an air bed or something just quickly, you can do that. So just go ahead and actually power it on now. Hopefully it's got some juice on it. Yep, ready to go. Looks like it's got a full charge, or at least close to it. I do like that display on there. Before we actually hook it up to the vehicle, I just want to show some of the other things on here. So it does have a flashlight on here. Look at that SOS on there. So this can be helpful, especially at night. If you're trying to see something in the hood, this can definitely help out. To get the jump starter hooked up, we're going to put it right here. Should just plug in. All right, now that we got them on there, as you can see, there is a spot for that. You have them correct or reverse, and then also a boost button right on here. So let's go and actually hook them up. All right, so let's actually hook it up to the vehicle now. Hook it up to this one. All right, as you can see, shows correct, so we know that we are good to go. All right, let's fire it up. All right, I hit that boost button. Looks like it's good to go. And just like that, we are good to go. Let's go ahead and actually just take them off now. Unplug them, we're good to go, nice and safe. All right, got the car running obviously, so now I just want to show some of the other features we got on here. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put this attachment right here, and all you gotta have to do, give it some turn, and it'll hook up right on there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There it is, nice and tight. So if you get a flat or anything like that, you can use it. All right, so now all I did was hit this button right here. As you can see, it's got the car option. Let's see if you can see right there. And then if you hit mode, it's got a motorcycle, a bicycle, a ball, and then just like a manual setting right there. And then I did set it to PSI. So like I said, super easy. And I'm pretty sure all you gotta do now is just hit this button right here. All right, count this one down, and then you're good to go. There we go. So just hold this one down, and it'll fire right up. Like that. So super cool. if you need to inflate anything on the go. And then the last thing we'll try is the power bank that's also built in. So, all right, and then just to test it out, we're gonna go ahead and use this USB right here. We'll plug it into my Apple Watch, and there it is, charging right from here. So it could definitely help in case of emergency, phone's dying, tablet's dying, anything like that. Just hook it up to here, and you'll be good to go. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new jump starter with the power bank, with the air compressor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.